So 3 weeks to go for the first round of polling in West Bengal. TMC and BJP offices are a beehive of activity. In fact, even as we speak, BJP's election committee is in a huddle to decide the list of candidates for the first two phases. Buzz is that Shubhendu Adhikari might be the person who's fielded from Nandigram against Mamata Banerjee. Remember, this is a seat that he held before quitting the TMC. Mamata Banerjee made it clear that she will be contesting for Shubhendu's turf, throwing down the gauntlet for the BJP as it were. The centre of iconic anti-land acquisition stir is all set to see a historic showdown. The big question though is, will Nandigram become the bellwether for Bengal elections for the second time in a decade?
তাই আমি সুব্রত বক্সিকে অনুরোধ করব, আমার রাজ্য তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের প্রার্থী, এটা আমার ইচ্ছা হয়েছে, আমার মনোবাসনা। ভবানীপুরকেও আমি নেগলেক্ট করছি না, ভবানীপুরেও আমি ভালো প্রার্থী দেবো, ওটাও আমার ভালোবাসার জায়গা। বক্সিকে বলবো নন্দীগ্রামেও আমার নামটা যেন থাকে।
আমি লিখে রাখুন, আজকে সন্ধ্যাবেলা ঘড়িতে টাইম দিয়ে ডেট দিয়ে আপনারা লিখে রাখুন, 5 লাখ ভোটে যদি মাননীয়াকে হারাতে না পারি আমি রাজনীতি ছেড়ে দেব, আমি রাজনীতি ছেড়ে দেব, আপনি লিখে রাখুন।
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
RP Singh, National Spokesperson of the BJP, joins us along with Priyanka Tibrewal, Advocate Varis Pathan, National Spokesperson AIMIM, Qamar Zaman Chaudhary, Leader of the Congress, Riju Datta, Spokesperson of TMC. First question is to you. Is it scary? Shubhendu Adhikari, somebody synonymous with Nandigram, been an MLA of Nandigram. He's saying, I am going to put my personal reputation at stake in Nandigram to ensure that Mamata Banerjee is defeated. Now, if he is going to be a candidate there, is it scary? Riju Datta, the question is for you. Mr. Datta.
Padmaja, did you ask me the...
Yes, that question is for you.
See, yes, so Padmaja, first of all, good evening. Yes, good evening. See, the thing is, you have to understand who is Shubhendu Adhikari. Shubhendu Adhikari was an aide of Mamata Banerjee during the Nandigram movement. Now, after that, he has, for whatever reasons, he has changed his ideology, he's changed his jersey and he has jumped ship. So, the bottom line is, when Mamata Banerjee has gone on the front foot and said that I am going to contest from Nandigram, it is still unclear whether Shubhendu is going to contest or not. But I will obviously hold him to his word, where he has clearly said that if I cannot make Mamata Banerjee lose by 50,000 votes, I will leave politics. And I will ask you this same question on 2nd of May, where is Shubhendu Adhikari? Because he was the representative of Mamata Banerjee in Nandigram and he has not done anything for Nandigram. So the people of Nandigram are not going to forgive him. And if you go through the annals of history, traitors have never been forgiven. So how is it that the people of Bengal will forgive this?
So it's only big talk to say that Shubhendu Adhikari is synonymous with Nandigram. Basically, he was just, Mamata's aide, RP Singh. तो जीत गए नंदीग्राम से ममता बनर्जी के नाम पे. Otherwise, it's all hot.
नहीं, पिछली बार 81,000 वोट से जीते थे वो नंदीग्राम, ऐसा नहीं है. और ये जो मर्जी कहते हैं, ये पूछे कि ममता बनर्जी 2 सीटों से लड़ेंगी, 1 से लड़ेंगी, फिर शी could contest from 1 seat or she could contest from 2 seats, Nandigram and Bhawanipur. And also that, can they tell us what 5 good works which have done the CM has done in her constituency? They can't tell even one. So he is practically running away from Bhawanipur because she is trying to take a cover in Nandigram, and then she is going to face a big defeat in Nandigram also. It's something like what happened with Rahul Gandhi. So, but it's a matter of time. Second May I'll be there sitting with you, and then we'll talk about it. So BJP will be forming the government, and people will give us mandate to serve the people of Bengal. So we'll start with that. But let's understand why she want to leave Bhawanipur. Let's understand that also. Why she's running away from Bhawanipur today?
Can I answer, Padmaja?
What's happening
So
in
it's going to be
Bhawanipur
the Amethi of Bengal.
Give me a second, sir. Give me a second. Riju, I never interrupted you. Riju, can I never interrupt you, Riju? Can I another second? Say, understand, in Bhawanipur, it's majorly a non-Bengali constituency, and she has been rapidly speaking against non-Bengalis, Bengali versus non-Bengalis, and also that it has a major population of Muslims also, and today that Abbas Siddiqui factor is working in Bhawanipur today. So she is trying to run away from Bhawanipur.
Yes, Riju Datta, go on. So that's why the comparison with Amethi. Go on.
Yes, I'll give you the answer. See, the elections will be fought on only one topic. That is 7 years of fake promises, petrol at 100, cylinders at 900 versus 10 years of development and good governance. That is the only topic it will be fought on. And let me tell you, if you have any bare knowledge about Mamata Banerjee, you will know that she is the last person in this world to be scared of anybody. She single-handedly uprooted the CPM regime of 34 years. So she is not scared of anybody. And
Bhawanipur.
I will again say that in all 294
5 good works of Bhawanipur.
our face is Mamata Banerjee. Whether it is Bhawanipur, whether it is Nandigram, whether it is Kashipur, whether it
Sir,
is anywhere, our face is Mamata Banerjee. Whoever is the candidate, it is her representative. No, first sir, before you ask me about Bhawanipur, what about
बंगाल को
your
गर्व हो,
candidate? Who is
भवानीपुर को
Mamata
गर्व हो।
Banerjee's candidate against Nandigram?
सर मैं जो पूछ रहा हूँ बंगाल
अरे
भवानीपुर के 5 काम बता दीजिए प्लीज जो ममता बनर्जी के लिए किए 5 गिना दीजिए आप सर मैं लड्डू तो खा लूंगा आपके कोई धन्यवाद पर आज मेरे लड्डू खा लीजिए 5 भवानीपुर में ममता बनर्जी 5 ऐसे काम बता दीजिए जिसके कारण से भवानीपुर को ममता बनर्जी पर गर्व होना चाहिए
छोड़ दीजिए 500 काम है
सर
आपका एड्रेस दे दीजिए घर पे पोस्ट कर देंगे पढ़ लीजिएगा सर
लड्डू खिला दीजिए
भवानीपुर के कहां बोलेंगे आधा घंटा का
while you are fighting about 5 or 500, the moment the mention of why a certain constituency is important or winnable or not winnable because of the Muslim vote, whenever that mention happens, the AIMIM starts smiling. And you've got Waris Pathan here smiling because he thinks this is my cue. अब नंदीग्राम में हमारा AIMIM फैक्टर आएगा. क्यों वारिस पठान?
Well, Padmaja, first and foremost, let me tell you, Suvendu can contest from Nandigram or any other place. Mamata Banerjee can go and contest from any place. Modi contested from Varanasi. Rahul Gandhi contested from Wayanad. So it is immaterial. But I will tell you, the BJP and the TMC both are two sides of the same coin. One is playing the politics of hatred and divisiveness. The other is trying to play the politics of appeasement.
And
you and left two sides of the same coin. Asked, in 5 years, what Mamata Banerjee has done for the betterment of West Bengal is the question which is asked by the people. And yes, let me tell you, we are contesting election in West Bengal. We live in democracy. The constitution has given me right to contest, and our party is definitely going to contest on various seats in West Bengal. And I am hopeful that we will be a better option to people.
Mr. Waris Pathan,
we will come as a better option to the people of West Bengal in this election.
I have okay, very good, Mr. Waris Pathan. But my pertaining question to you is, your top boss came and met with Abbas Siddiqui. Then he went back to Hyderabad saying there is no Urdu-speaking base in Bengal, so we will not come. So then Abbas Siddiqui formed his own party and joined with Congress and CPM. So, and if your heart is bleeding for Muslims now, where were Mr. Owaisi and his brother and you, Mr. Pathan, during the Corona pandemic or the Amphan cyclone? Why your heart was not bleeding in 2019 elections? Why all of a sudden before 2016? Because Sakshi Maharaj said you are the beating of BJP and you are coming here to somehow aid BJP.
Everywhere. Let me tell you, sir, what happened between Abbas Siddiqui and Asad Owaisi. Right? People will come to know. Why wait for those days? Why are you in a hurry? We will be declaring whether we are contesting with him or we are going alone or with whoever. So we are coming in alliance with. As far as you have asked me a question that what we were doing during the pandemic, let me tell you, our team was there. Our team was very much present in West Bengal and we were working day and night. I don't have to show you that when was my team working. Kindly check your facts properly.
Priyanka Tibrewal wants to come in. Priyanka Tibrewal.
We have been to Bengal and we have been working day and
Mr. Khan and Mr. Datta, we heard you also. Now please allow me to speak. So when Mr. Riju Datta, when he started, what did he say? So he said that Mr. Suvendu Adhikari has done nothing for Nandigram. And since he has done nothing for Nandigram will not look forward to Mr. Adhikari coming to power there. So now let me question it. It is just 2 months that Mr. Suvendu Adhikari has quit the party, shifted the focus to BJP. That is restricted to BJP. So what does he want to say? That the Srinagar has actually done nothing for Nandigram. So if Srinagar has done nothing for Nandigram, then he should not blame that to Mr. Adhikari. Because Mamata Banerjee, being the chief minister, she was supposed to work for Nandigram, and that means Mamata Banerjee and her party coming to Nandigram. And then they are only looking forward to Nandigram. Again, the minority card. They know that the minority voters are more than 64,000 there. They know this very well that Bhawanipur region, where Mamata Banerjee used to contest, is a Hindu-based area. More Gujaratis are there. And last time in Lok Sabha, she has been defeated from her own area. And people had voted for BJP in that area.
Riju
And
Datta.
last time she implemented the voters. Mamata Banerjee
See, Priyanka, it is quite late in the night, and I think you're not thinking straight. Mamata Banerjee's MLA and his MP was Shubhendu Adhikari in that area. So if he has not done anything, Mamata Banerjee was looking Nandigram through the eyes of Shubhendu Adhikari because he was our representative. Now, if that area has not developed when Shubhendu Adhikari was in power, how do you think the people of Nandigram will support Shubhendu Adhikari? Are you being childish here? I think you have been very childish.
It is just a very, very clever trick. Mamata Banerjee knows that she has taken part.
It is not about Hindu Musliman anymore, Priyanka. It is about petrol, diesel and unemployment. You have to understand the people of this country want Modi ji out. That is why Election Commission also said to take his voting off from petrol pumps. Do you know the Election Commission has said the Modi ji's photo should be removed from petrol pumps?
But what does that have to do with Shubhendu Adhikari? What does that have to do with Shubhendu Adhikari? Anyhow, let me bring in the Congress also. Qamar Zaman Chaudhary, in all of this, you of course have no skin in the game because you are going to field the Venerable Abbas Siddiqui from Nandigram, from the looks of it. That's what the reports are so far, as far as your alliance is concerned.
Padmaja,
Yes.
Padmaja, thank you for giving me time. Thank you for giving me time so late. But anyhow, let me just tell you, Nandigram is a classic example of Bengal politics right now. It's a case where Shubhendu Adhikari, players like Shubhendu Adhikari have jumped the ship like a rat from a sinking ship. The sinking ship is that of the Trinamool Congress. Now, wherever you go in Nandigram, you will see the Adhikari Parivar, they had enjoyed unmatched.
So then if you're calling Shubhendu Adhikari a rat and the TMC a sinking ship, then essentially you are saying that the better prospect is the BJP. So you're saying BJP is the one which has a leg up.
No. Who said that? BJP is the party which is playing identity politics in Bengal.
So then the rat has to be really stupid to jump from one sinking ship to another sinking ship. He should have come to you if you are forming the next government.
That's what happened.
This has to be the worst rat in history.
Become the party as the last refuge of the dishonest. I'm not using the word, you know which word. BJP has become the last refuge of the dishonest. You must remember that all those dishonest people who have jumped ship from the TMC have been proved to be dishonest. There is no doubt about it. Now comes in the BJP. BJP has been playing the identity politics for so long in Bengal.
So you're talking about everything but Nandigram. My question to you is, what are your stakes in Nandigram? Because like you said, Nandigram today is the perfect, it's an emblem of what West Bengal politics is, a fight between BJP and TMC. Everyone else is a sideshow, including your alliance.
No. You must not be mistaken out here. It's not a fight between BJP and TMC. It is a fight between Shubhendu Adhikari, Adhikari family and Mamata Banerjee. That's the prestige fight that has been brought out here. Because for the simple reason, the Nandigram agitation through which Mamata Banerjee came
So even
to power
you have
was
admitted
the
that the
last
fight
nail in the
basically is
coffin of
between Shubhendu Adhikari and Mamata
in Bengal.
Banerjee. Even now you're not saying and us, this person from our alliance. You have already conceded that yes, it's a fight between Shubhendu Adhikari and Mamata Banerjee. Qamar Zaman Chaudhary. Are you even going to field somebody from that place?
Your perspective, madam.
Sir, I'm just quoting back to you what you said.
Madam, how you take it. But the point remains out here. No, I was coming to that point.
Yes.
Nandigram represents the last nail in coffin of industrialization of Bengal.
Okay.
The impediment to industrialization that was opposed by Mamata Banerjee in Bengal started from Nandigram. Now Nandigram people after 10 years are asking this same Shubhendu Adhikari, the Adhikari Parivar and Mamata Banerjee, what have we got?
Interesting. So you are, so just a second, Riju Datta, before you come in, are you saying Mr. Chaudhary, as a congressman, that you resent the fact that Mamata Banerjee drove away industry from West Bengal? Because isn't your principal opposition to the farm laws that it is pro-industry? And you keep saying Sood Boot ki sarkar, hum do, hamare do. Basically, you're anti-industry and you're ruining that Mamata Banerjee drove away industry from West Bengal. Anyhow, Riju Datta respond, then I'll go back to Varis Pathan. Yes, Riju Datta.
Again, you are confusing. No.
Yes, and about, the Congress spokesperson, the problem is Congress is so delusional, they do not even understand what they talk about. I will just give them a figures, they should Google it, that in the last 2 years, from 100 banks, 63,000 crores have been given as bank loans to small and medium businesses in Bengal, where 23 lakhs jobs have been created in the private sector. So, sir, before you come on national channel, please do your research. And the only industry, Mamata Banerjee opposed the Tata industry because they were illegally acquiring the farmlands. And now it has been gone to Gujarat, and the government and the company is also on the docks now.
Jobs are lying vacant in government jobs.
Okay, let me give the final word. Let me give the final word to Varis Pathan. Varis Pathan, it's not just Nandigram. Nandigram is the perfect example of what the rest of West Bengal will see. And which is why in closely fought contests, the role of your party and that of the ISF becomes that much more important. Are you up for the challenge? Varis Pathan.
Well, we are, Padmaja, coming as a better option. Earlier they had no option, but today AMIM has been seen as a better option everywhere. We went
You're
in
an
Gujarat
option to
and we
who?
went handsomely.
You're an
in
option
20 days
to who?
we could come out with 24
option
seats.
to TMC, option to BJP, option
better
to
option
Congress.
for TMC. See, earlier people had no option. They used to vote for TMC, Congress, left or CPM. Now today MIM has a better option than them because we talk about work, we do their work. And let me expose the hypocrisy of the BJP as well. Till yesterday, Suvendu Adhikari was a bad person. But as soon as whosoever goes to the BJP, whosoever joins the BJP, he becomes as fresh as milk. Now BJP has become a washing machine.
I think the main takeaway of what you have said, of course, you had to qualify that by saying that BJP is a washing machine. But I think the most important takeaway of what you said, Varis Pathan, is that your party, the AIMIM, today in West Bengal is going to be an option, an alternative to the TMC, the left and the Congress. So those are basically the votes that you are going to be taking away. Let's see how that impacts the outcome. The Nandigram fight is definitely with Mamata Banerjee on one side. The BJP still hasn't released its list. Is it eventually going to be Suvendu Adhikari? Everyone will be keeping their eyes peeled. For the time being, all gentlemen, Priyanka Tibrewal, thanks for joining me. Viewers, I'll see you tomorrow.